Dirt and road stretches under my boots, through fields of gold and strong oak roots. The sun hangs low, the air feels sweet, a quiet mile where my heart beats. The fence line fades into the hills, a calming tune as the evening stills. The world grows soft, my soul runs wild, walking slow on this country mile. A quiet country mile, so calm, so free, where the wind hums soft through the willow trees. No rush, no race, just time to feel. This simple path is the real deal. The crickets join in the fading light, serenading the coming night. The gravel crunches, my worries fade, as peace unfolds in this rural shade. The stars begin their endless glow, lighting up the road I know. Each step feels like my heart alive. On this quiet country mile I thrive. A quiet country mile, so calm, so free, where the wind hums soft through the willow trees. No rush, no race, just time to feel. This simple path is the real deal. A country mile, so calm, so free, where the wind hums soft through the willow trees. No rush, no race, just time to feel. This simple path is the real deal. The driftwood lies along the shore, each piece a story, a life before. The ocean hums its timeless tune, a soothing call beneath the moon. The waves roll in, they kiss the sand, a gentle touch from a far-off land. I walk the edge where worlds collide, and let the sea heal what's inside. Driftwood and dreams, the ocean song, a quiet place where I belong. The tide rolls out, the stars gleam bright, lost in the waves I feel alright. The salty breeze whispers through my hair, a calling place where I belong. The tide rolls out, the stars gleam bright. Lost in the waves, I feel alright. The salty breeze whispers through my hair, a calming touch, a love laid bare. Each ripple carries a thought away, making room for a brighter day. Morning sun will rise and shine, but for now, this peace is mine. Driftwood and dreams, they'll always stay in my heart when I'm far away. Driftwood and dreams, the ocean song, a quiet place where I belong. The tide rolls out, the stars gleam bright. Lost in the waves, I feel alright. Lost in the waves, I feel alright. Driftwood and dreams, the ocean song, a quiet place where I belong. The tide rolls out, the stars gleam bright. Lost in the waves, I feel alright. Lost in the waves, I feel alright. Lost in the waves, I feel alright. Stretch out a purple sea, a fragrant breeze washes over me. The lavender sways with the evening air, a peaceful calm beyond compare. The golden light of the setting sun paints the fields as the day is done. The scent of flowers fills my soul. In these fields I feel whole. Fields of lavender, soft and sweet, a quiet place where dreams retreat. The world fades out, the heart beats true. In these fields, there's only you. The moon will rise, the stars will glow, a gentle rhythm the flowers know. Each passing breeze, a tender sigh, a whispered prayer beneath the sky. Morning waits, but I'll remain. Lavender spell, free from pain. A timeless beauty, a healing grace, forever tied to this sacred place. Fields of lavender, soft and sweet, a quiet place where dreams retreat. The world fades out, the heart beats true. In these fields, there's only you. Fields of lavender, soft and sweet, a quiet place where dreams retreat. The world fades out, the heart beats true. In these fields, there's only you. In these fields, there's only you. The moon will rise, the stars will glow, a gentle rhythm the flowers know. Each passing breeze, a tender sigh, a whispered prayer beneath the sky. In these fields, there's only you. Stands beneath the sky. Its weathered boards will never die. The shadows stretch as the sun goes down. A piece of peace in this country town. The air smells sweet of hay and wood. Memory here feels just as it should. The barn's old doors creak in the breeze, telling stories of days like these. Old barn shadows, soft and still, a quiet place on the rolling hill. The past remains, the future calls, but I'll stay here as the evening falls. The rafters hum with echoes past, a history strong built to last. The barn holds time in its embrace, a sacred, simple country space. Stars will shine, the night will grow, but the old barn shadow will always show. It's more than wood, it's heart and soul, a peaceful refuge forever hold. Barn shadows, soft and still, a quiet place on the rolling hill. The past remains, the future calls, but I'll stay here as the evening falls. So barn shadows, soft and still, a quiet place on the rolling hill. The past remains, the future calls, but I'll stay here as the evening falls. Old barn shadows, soft and still, a quiet place on the rolling hill. The past remains, the future calls, but I'll stay here as the evening falls. But I'll stay here as the evening falls. The open sky stretches wide and blue, a boundless view that feels so true. The clouds drift slow, the sun shines bright, a promise held in this endless light. The prairie sings with the morning breeze, a quiet song through endless seas. The grass waves soft like nature's choir, filling my soul, lifting me higher. Open sky, promise clear and wide, a peaceful place where dreams reside. The freedom calls, the heart takes flight beneath this open sky tonight. The golden fields roll on for miles, the kind of view that draws my smiles. Each step I take, I feel the air, a constant hope beyond compare. The sun will set, but I'll remain. Under the stars I'll stake my claim. This open sky will hold me tight. Its promise keeps my spirit alive. Open sky, promise clear and wide, a peaceful place where dreams reside. The freedom calls, the heart takes flight beneath this open sky tonight. The golden fields roll on for miles, the kind of view that draws my smiles. Each step I take, I feel the air, a constant hope beyond compare. The sun will set, but I'll remain. Under the stars I'll stake my claim. This open sky will hold me tight. Its promise keeps my spirit light. Open sky, promise clear and wide, a peaceful place where dreams reside. The freedom calls, the heart takes flight beneath this open sky tonight. Beneath this open sky tonight. Roadside blooms with colors bright, a fleeting joy in the morning light. Each flower stands through wind and rain, a little proof that beauty remains. The gravel road winds far and free, past scenes that steal the breath from me. The wildflowers wave as I walk by, a simple greeting beneath the sky. Roadside wildflowers, soft and bold, a quiet treasure I'll always hold. They bloom unseen, their colors true, a gift from earth forever new. The seasons turn, they come and go, but these flowers thrive through sun and snow. Their quiet strength, their fleeting grace makes this road a sacred place. Stars come out, the day must end, but the flowers wait like faithful friends. They'll greet me here when I return, with every color my heart has yearned. Roadside wildflowers, soft and bold, a quiet treasure I'll always hold. They bloom unseen, their colors true, a gift from earth, forever new. Creek flows soft through the shaded glen, a tune it's sung since who knows when. The water whispers to the stones, a melody that feels like home. The mossy banks invite my rest, a spot that feels like nature's best. The cool, clear flow soothes my soul. The sound of the creek makes me whole. The sound of the creek, soft and low, a gentle hymn that helps me grow. It's endless song, so calm, so deep, a timeless peace I long to keep. The willows sway above the stream, their branches weave a soothing dream. Each ripple tells a story true of quiet nights and skies so blue. The creek rolls on, it never tires, its rhythm calm as evening fires, a lifeline carved through earth and stone. Its voice, a comfort all my own. The sound of the creek, soft and low, a gentle hymn that helps me grow. It's endless song, so calm, so deep, a timeless peace I long to keep. The timberline stands tall and proud, a morning calm beneath the clouds. The sunlight creeps through pine and stone, a sacred place I call my own. The mountain air is crisp and sweet. The trail ahead feels like a treat. Each breath I take, each step I climb, the timberline steals away my time. Timberline morning, quiet and true, a peaceful start beneath skies of blue. The world feels right, my soul feels free. This is the life that's meant for me. The birds awake with a gentle song. Their melody helps me move along. The whispering trees hum in reply, a harmony beneath the sky. The morning fades, the day begins. The timberline wraps me within. Its quiet strength will always stay, a timeless gift to light my way. Timberline morning, quiet and true, a peaceful start beneath skies of blue. The world feels right, my soul feels free. This is the life that's meant for me. Timberline morning, quiet and true, a peaceful start beneath skies of blue. The world feels right, my soul feels free. This is the life that's meant for me. For me.
The harvest moon shines big and bright, casting silver on the fields tonight. The hay is stacked, the work is done. Now the night begins, the calm has come. The crickets play their symphony, a soothing tune for you and me. The amber glow fills the land. Under the moon, I take your hand. Under the harvest moon so high, a peaceful glow lights up the sky. The night feels warm, the earth feels true. All is well under the harvest moon. The pumpkins shine in the autumn haze, a quiet nod to simpler days. The stars align, the air is sweet, a perfect time for hearts to meet. The morning waits, but I'll stay here in this moment, so bright, so clear. The harvest moon will fade too soon, but tonight belongs to its golden tune. Under the harvest moon so high, a peaceful glow lights up the sky. The night feels warm, the earth feels true. All is well under the harvest moon. Under the harvest moon so high, a peaceful glow lights up the sky. The night feels warm, the earth feels true. All is well under the harvest moon.
Down by the bayou where time moves slow, the cypress stands where the rivers flow. Its roots run deep, its branches high, sentinel against the sky. Spanish moss drapes soft and thin, curtain hides the world within. The breeze carries stories from the land, told in whispers where the cypress stands. Where the cypress stands, I find my ground, a sacred peace, a soothing sound. The world falls quiet, I understand. Life feels whole where the cypress stands. The setting sun turns the water gold, a tranquil scene that never gets old. The croak of frogs, the hum of life, a place to rest free from strife. The moonlight casts a silver glow on the cypress grove, where my heart knows forever tied to this gentle land. I'll always come where the cypress stands. Where the cypress stands, I find my ground, a sacred peace, a soothing sound. The world falls quiet, I understand. Life feels whole where the cypress